Hello children, welcome back in mathematics class. Good morning to all of you, and we are studying set chapter. In the previous class we have solved some questions and we studied subsets and proper subsets. I hope you have remembered what are the subsets. Suppose there is a set A and there is one more set B. Then A is called the subset of B if all the elements of A are present in B. And what is the symbol for subset? See, this is the symbol. In the case of subset, it may be possible that set A has equal number of elements of B, and it also may be possible that the elements of set A are less than the elements of B. Okay, now proper subset. Again, suppose there are two sets A and B. If all the elements of A are present in B and B has at least one element which is not in A, then A is called proper subset of B. And this is the symbol for proper subset. Okay, and in the subset case, B is called the superset of A. A is the subsets of B and B is the superset of A. Understood? Now today we are going to study universal set, component of a set, complement of a set, union set and intersection set. So see what are these. Universal set is denoted by capital U R epsilon. Universal set means superset of the given sets. Universal set is the superset of the given sets. That means if two or three sets are given, then in the union set all the elements of the given set will be present. And it also may be possible that union has more than the elements, more elements than the given sets. Okay. Now complement of a set. Suppose there is a set A, then complement will be denoted by A dash. Say here. Suppose there is a set A, then complement of A will be denoted by A dash or union minus A. That means complement of a set has the element. Complement of a set has the element which are not present in that set. Suppose A has 1, 2, 3 and union has 1 to 10. Suppose set A has 1, 2, 3 and union has 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 only. Suppose this is. Suppose a set A is given which is a proper subset of union set, then A complement will be union minus A. Union minus A means, see this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here is this. So from union set we will leave the elements which are present in A. So after leaving, you are watching that only 4 and 5 are remaining. That means A complement set will contain only 4 and 5. Okay, so this is the complement set. Now union set. Union set means collection of the given set. Suppose one set A is given, one set B is given, then union set of A and B is denoted by A union B. A union B is the union set of A and B. A union B means union set of A and B, and it means all the elements of A as well as B. Firstly, see the meaning of the sets, then after we will solve the examples. Now intersection set. Suppose there are two sets A and B, then intersection symbol is this one. A intersection B. A intersection B means those elements which are common in A and B both. The elements which are common in A and B both. Okay, these are the meaning of these symbols and sets. Now we are going to solve the numericals. So see it. Suppose that one universal set is given to you in which first 10 natural numbers are there. Suppose this is the universal set. Its subset is given A, which has all the odd numbers. One more subset of union set is B, which has all the even numbers. One more set C, which has the prime numbers less than 7. Universal set is natural numbers from 1 to 10, and 3 subsets of union set is given A, B and C. Then first we are going to find A union B. What will be the set of A union B? So how to find A union B? See here. Write down the elements of A: 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Then symbol of union. Elements of B: 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Union means collection of all. That means we will write all the elements of A and B both. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. If you write all the elements of A and B together, then you will get this set. This set will be called the union set of A and B. Suppose you want to find A union C, then how will you find? Write all the elements of A, then union, then elements of C. 1, 3, 5, 7. Now what is the meaning of union? All the elements of A and C both. So write down all the elements: 1, 2, 3, then after 5, then after 7 and then after 9. When you are making a set, no element should be repeated. This is a noted point. 3 is here also and there also, but while making one set, we will take only one time. In a set, no number, no article, no element is repeated. Okay. See one more example. Suppose you want to find B union C, then how will you do? Write down the elements of B: 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Then symbol of union, then elements of C: 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now union means collection of all. So write down all the elements: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. These elements are present in B and C both. Understood the meaning of union? Now we will see the intersection. Suppose we want to find A intersection C. So how to find? Write down all the elements of A: 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Intersection. Elements of C is 2, 3, 5 and 7. Intersection means common, which is present in both the sets. We will write only those elements: 3, 5 and 7. These 3 elements are present in A as well as in B also. So this is the A intersection C. Suppose you want to find B intersection C, then first write the elements of B: 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Then intersection C is 2, 3, 5 and 7. Intersection is common. So B intersection C means common elements of B and C. So find out what are the elements common. You can see that only 2 is common in both. Only 2 is common in both, so only 2 will be written in this set. Okay. Now see one more. Suppose you want to find A intersection B. So what will you do? First write down all the elements of A: 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Intersection elements of B: 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. A intersection B means common elements of A and B. You are watching that nothing is common in A and B. That means this will be an empty set. Empty set is denoted by empty bracket, otherwise phi, any one symbol we will use. So A intersection B, you are watching that it is an empty set. Now see, suppose that you want to find A complement. So A complement means universal set minus A. This is the meaning of A complement. Complement set of A. Complement set of A is denoted by A dash, and in shortcut it is read A complement. And how to find A complement? Union minus A. So how will you solve it? Union has the element first 10 natural numbers minus A has the element 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Union minus A means all the element of union, all the element of universal set which is not in A. The elements which are here but not there. So what is not? 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. These elements are not present in A. So this set will be called the A complement. Understood? See the B complement also. B complement means union minus B. Universal set minus B set. Universal set has first 10 natural numbers minus B has all the even numbers. So universal set minus B means all the elements of universal set which are not in B. So what are not in B? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These elements are not in B, so this set will be called B complement. Is this clear? This set is called B complement. Similarly, you can find the C complement also. C complement means union minus C. Universal set minus C. So universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 minus. C set has all the prime numbers less than 10. So 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now what is the meaning of universal set minus C? Union minus C means all the elements of universal set which are not in C. So check what is not in C. 1 is not in C. Then 4 is not in C. Then 6 is not in C. Then 8, 9 and 10. Understood? Now pause the video and note down these questions. Now we are going to solve the next question. Here it is given that suppose set A has the elements B, D, E, F. Set B has the elements C, D, G, H. Set C has the element E, F, G and H. Then we have to find A minus B, B minus C, B minus A minus B union B minus A union B and A intersection C, B. So see one by one. First we are going to find A minus B. So how will we find? Element of A, B, D, E, F minus element of B. Now see, what is the meaning of A minus B? All the elements of A which are not in B. All the elements of A which are not in B, that will be the A minus B. So from the set A, see what are the elements not present there. See B is here but not in B. So write down B. D is in A also, B also, so leave D. E is in A but not in B, so write down E. F is also in A but not in B, so write down F also. Understood? By the same way, B minus C, C, D, G, H minus E, F, G, H. What is the meaning of B minus C? All the elements of B which are not in C. So compare what is not in C. See here, C is in B but not in C. So write down C. D is in B but not in C. So write down D also. G, H are present there also, so we will not write G and D. Understood? Now B minus A. B is C, D, G, H minus A is B, D, E, F. What is the meaning of B minus A? elements of B which are not in A. See, this is B minus A, means elements of B which are not in A. So compare here. C is in B but not in A. So write down C. D is here also, there also, so we will not write D. GH, there is no GH. So we will write here GH. Understood? Be careful. A minus B and B minus A both are different. In the case of A minus B, elements of A which are not in B. In the case of B minus A, elements of B which are not in A. Okay. Now see here, A minus B union B minus A. So we have found A minus B. B, E and F union. We have found B minus A also. This is C, G, H. Understood? Now what is the meaning of union? Union means all the elements of the given sets. Collection of all the sets. So write down here B, C, E, F, G and H. We have written all the elements in the serial order. Understood? All the elements of A minus B and B minus A together we have written in a single set. Okay? Now see A union B. A union B means all the elements of A union all the elements of B. See. A union B means all the elements of A and B both. So write down all the elements B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Understood? All the elements of B and C together we have written in a single set. So this set will be called A union B set. Okay? Now A intersection B, B, D, E, F intersection C, D, G, H. See, intersection means common, which is common in A and B both. So find out what are the things common. Only D is common in both. So A intersection B set will contain only one element D. Is this clear? Again pause the video and note down these questions. Now see some more questions. See here, let the set I of all integers be the universal set. That means in the question R in universal set is I, which is the set of all integers. All integers means all negative numbers, all positive numbers including with 0, and set A is the x where x is a negative integer, and it is given that set A has the element x where x is a negative integers. If you convert it into roster form, you will get it all the negative integers. Set A is the all negative integers. Now we have to find A complement. We know that A complement means universal set minus A. In this question, universal set is I minus A. Understood? A complement means universal set minus the given set. Now find its value. I means all the integers minus A is all the negative integers. Now what is the meaning of I minus A? All the elements of I which are not in A. So you are watching that 0 and all the positive numbers are not in that. Is this clear? So A complement will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay? Now see this third question. Suggest a universal set for these. You have to make one universal set. We know that universal set is the superset of the given set. Superset means write down all the elements which are here. Write down all the elements which are here. So you can see that 5, 7, 9, 3, 5, 7 already we have written. Then 1, 3, 9. So 3 and 9 also we have written. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. If we write all these elements in a set, then these are the elements. We will not repeat any number or digit. Okay. Now arrange these in serial order. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 7, 8 and 9. Understood? This is the universal set of the given set. By the same way, the fourth question also, again we have to make the universal set. If we are making a universal set, then we will take all the numbers. See here, odd numbers less than 8, prime numbers less than 8, and even numbers between 3 and 8. Universal set is the collection of all the elements of the given set. Now write down the elements. Odd numbers less than 8. 1, 3, 5 and 7. Prime numbers less than 8. 2, 3, 5 and 7. These are the prime numbers. Even numbers between 3 and 8. That is 4 and 6 only. Understood? Odd numbers less than 8 are these. Prime numbers less than 8 are these. Even numbers between 3 and 8 are these. Now we will make the final answer. When we write a set, no element should be repeated. And here you are watching that many elements are repeating. So we will write every element only one time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then 7. Only these? Yes. This is the universal set of the given sets. Okay. Now pause the video and note down these questions. Okay children, I hope you have noted those questions. Now these two questions are your homework. First you will solve those questions which I have told you, which I have explained you. After that, these two are your homework. Now in the next class, we will study the cardinal numbers and numericals based on that. Okay, bye bye.